I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a garden in Roblox. First, open your game and locate an empty plot. Select your desired seeds from the inventory and click on the plot to plant them. Remember to equip your watering can and click on the newly planted seeds to give them water. This initial step is crucial for successful growth. Once your seeds are planted, consistent care is key. Use fertilizer from your inventory to accelerate growth, which can reduce waiting times by up to 25%. Keep an eye out for weeds and pests. Click on them to remove them quickly. When your plants are fully grown, click to harvest them and collect your valuable produce and coins. As your garden flourishes, you'll want to expand. Save up your in-game coins to unlock additional garden plots, allowing you to grow more produce simultaneously. Invest in upgraded tools like a larger watering can or a faster harvesting tool to improve your efficiency. Don't forget to try out new seed types for unique crops and greater profits. For advanced gardeners, consider trading your harvested produce with other players to acquire rare seeds or items you might not have. Keep an eye on in-game announcements for special gardening events, which often offer exclusive rewards and challenges. These events are a fantastic way to earn unique items and show off your gardening prowess. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.